Sweet thing.
And now you're mine.
What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up the video. Come on and join the fun. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. I'm just going to tell you what you need out of this basket, including the basket. You are going to need a noodle, preferably a black noodle, a broom handle, a basket, a paper towel holder, zip ties, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, a skull, a tablecloth or two, creepy cloth or two, scissors. What else? You can get like the handcuffs from Dollar Tree if you want to do this project. I'm just telling you what I used. And you need the skeleton hands at Dollar Tree as well. What else? That's about it. Okay, watch and enjoy. Flip over your basket. And you're gonna zip tie your paper towel holder. It helps to just bend it a little bit, the zip tie. Bend it like that. Hook it and pull it through the next hole. So I have 4 here, and I think I'm gonna go in and add 1 here. And 1 here in that space there. Let's go around and snip our zip ties off. I like to use tape and zip ties to make sure it's more secure. So what we're gonna do now is stick our handle right here on the paper towel holder. Wherever you screw in the broom, put it downward. Clothing basket, paper towel holder, and our handle. Alright, sweeties, so for this part, you're going to want to poke 2 holes in the skull right here. Use your scissors, or you can use a little screwdriver. Poke a hole here, a hole here, and you're going to make like a square here. So you can cut a square out, poke a hole, stretch it out with your scissors, and cut a square out. Because what you want to do is put the zip tie through this hole, and you need to take it out through this hole, but you have to have your finger in the square to kind of guide the zip tie through the next hole. Okay? Once you do that, you're going to zip tie your skull to the top of the handle. Okay? Zip tie it a couple times if you want. Add some hot glue in there to stick it some more. Alright, so what we're going to do now is take our black hanger and we're going to go ahead and zip tie it right where the barcode's at. So about right there. We're just going to fold the noodle in half and cut it down the middle. You're going to zip tie the noodle to each side of the hanger. You want to put it in, push to the smaller side, poke a hole here, and zip tie around. stick it in there. Y'all ready? This one I'm putting downward. I'm kind of pushing up so the steak can go down and stick. I'm still going to force that hand in there. We're going to turn Mr. Sir here and put some hot glue around this part. So it's time for our creepy cloth and our handcuffs. I thought it was a chain, but they're handcuffs, of course. And with the chain, I'm just gonna let it hang right here. So squeeze your little fingers together, skeleton. I'm gonna take it back. And let's hot glue it.
Alright, sweetie, so this is skeleton number 2. You're going to need the same exact materials that you used for skeleton number 1. But skeleton number 2 has some added materials, so here they are. Before I let you see the materials, I'm going to let you know now that you follow the same exact steps you did for skeleton number 1. The only difference with this skeleton is the head and some minor changes, but you follow the same exact steps as far as the base of the project.
You're going to need this little trash can, this little black trash can. We're going to need that. A skull, scissors, little screwdriver set, 5 double-A batteries. Depending on your little car that you're going to have to get, you're going to have to get a little car, a little race car. Mine requires 5 double-A batteries. Okay, and I have an LED strobe light that requires 2 AAA batteries. So I got my 2 batteries in here as well. So I got this, sorry y'all, got this strobe light. Okay. Zip ties, tape, and you're gonna need something that makes some noise. So now that we have our hanger on our handle, we're gonna go ahead and get this head together, okay? This part is gonna be a little bit much, so make sure you're paying attention. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up for this one, okay? We need to zip tie our trash can to our handle. I think the easiest way is to go up through the trash can. We have our trash can zip tied to our handle, my car. Ooh. Boom. Boom. Okay. Let's see. I was about to say, wait a minute now, this ain't working. Okay, so as you can see, my car, the back's move, but the fronts don't, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. We are going to put this car in the antenna up here, okay? I need this to kind of go just like that. Make sure it still moves up here, which it should. What we need to do now is cut our wastebasket, okay? I need to turn my trash can more so this way. All right, it's time for our hot glue. So we're gonna hot glue the head to the wheel right here. And just leave it sitting there for a second. We wanna get it on the wheel and not the car. We wanna make the hot glue flat. not chunky and built up. You want it to be flat. While we're waiting on the glue to dry, let's move on. I have this decor item here, and it's a motion sensor. Real cute, right? There's a screw in there, and I'm going to open it up. All right, y'all see that? Okay, y'all, so here we go. So we just need to take this part out. Let's get that off there. Just in the way. Okay, let's see. It should just pop out, right? Yeah. Ready? Let's see. Here we go, y'all. There's a little hole right there. Y'all see that hole? Let's take the zip tie through the hole. My baby's up there playing mad. You know how boys get about their game. Okay, so I want to bring it around this way to the back. And this is a zip tie, so you can always cut it off to replace the batteries. There's enough room to put your finger back to switch it back on. You like it, Mama? Now, since my daughter's here, let's try this with her. Amira, come here. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
All right, so here's what the project looks like so far. Ready?
What a hate's gonna say. Mom, you done?
No, I'm not done. I got the glue too much on the car and not just on the wheel, and that's what I was saying. It has to be.
Mom,
Okay.
she's bald head.
Who's bald head?
This creepy girl.
All right, Amira, push the button. Let's see if it works.
Which one? Just any?
Okay, so I have to take some of this glue off. I messed up at is I put the glue too high, like I told y'all not to do. So I scraped the hot glue off the skull, and I'm gonna just glue the wheel and stick the skull on the wheel, which I should have done in the first place. So I'm just scraping some more of the glue off. That's kind of built up pretty high, see, like that. And then I'm gonna sit it on the wheel. Kind of put it not on the wheel, but on the rim. Okay, put your head on there. We are gonna see if this works now. Go ahead, Amira. Don't go fast. There we go. All right, wait. This part, let's get our pliers.
And apply you.
All right, Amira, go for it.
You gotta snap.
There it goes. All right. Boom, period. Please keep in mind that this is a Dollar Tree DIY project. Hit the like button because this is super dope. Super dope. You cannot deny that this is not a dope project. Listen, let's put these arms on. So the arms, the noodle. We're just gonna fold the noodle in half and cut it down the middle. You wanna zip tie the noodle to each side of the hanger. You wanna put it in, push to the smaller side, poke a hole here, and zip tie around. All right, sweeties, now we're gonna get our friend dressed, honey. All right, sweeties, here's the finished product. Let me lift the camera up a little bit so y'all can see. I decided to leave the candle alone because it don't work anyway. So I just put the handcuffs on both of his arms. But I hope y'all like it. How y'all like it for a Dollar Tree DIY project, period. Bomb.com. I hope y'all enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY project. Give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and click the bell so you're notified when I post my next video. Share this video, leave me a comment down below. I'm out. Peace.
thing. Sweet thing.
And now you're mine.